show you here, as you can see, look, we both can get a free share worth up to £200.
No style, go check my profile. My lifestyle is so vile. Girl on my mobile, girl from worldwide.
Yo people, welcome back to the channel. My name's Sammy, aka the Student Entrepreneur, and on this channel we talk about health, wealth and education. I just firstly like to say sorry, as I do every video, saying I'm back again, and yeah, that I'm going to start uploading more regularly, but I don't. But yeah, back again, and we're here. Just want to say thank you for the support in the last video. I really appreciate it. I'm glad it helped a lot of you. In regards to the last video, I will be doing a I'll be doing a video on how I'm going to do my dissertation for my masters. I haven't got long left, I haven't started it, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to whack it out all in the space of like a couple of weeks. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, and yeah, that's it on that regards. If you have any questions on your dissertation, you need some help, just feel free to hit me up on Insta or something. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be talking about this stock investing app. So this stock investing app is basically UK's alternative to Robinhood, and which is a commission-free stock investing app. So in the UK, most of the people, you will use Barclays or Hargreaves Lansdown or Interactive Investors or something along those lines to invest in stocks and shares. The problem with these institutions is that they charge a commission every time you open an order. So I know Hargreaves Lansdown is about £12, and so it's around like the £5 to £15 range per trade, depending on what asset class you pick as well. So great thing about Freetrade is it's all completely free. It's FCA regulated, and yeah, they're pretty new. So I think they're still in beta stages, and I think they will be they'll start letting you invest in fractional shares. So for stuff like Amazon, you'll be able to buy a portion of their share, because I know what is like £1,000 or whatever per share. So at least you'll be able to buy a portion of it. So if it goes up 10%, you'll still have your share portfolio go up by 10%. So that's a fantastic feature that they're going to bring out soon. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. So this video is an honest review of my use. So I've been using it for a couple of months now, so just want to give you an honest review and we'll see how it is. So let's get into my phone and we can see what's going on. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm in the app now, and you can see here my portfolio is worth almost 70 quid. Yay, I'm baller. But this is just some side money that I put in here just to test out the app, see if it works, because in this year's ISA, I've used a different brokerage for that. So from next year, I might start using Freetrade. If you want to see a little challenge where I start investing every month or every week into a new share, and I can invite you guys onto the show, but like I can get you guys to tell me which industry you want me to invest in or something like that. Something I can get you guys involved. If you want to see that, then please leave a comment below. Tell me what you want to see, and I'll be happy to cater towards that. But yeah, as you see my portfolio here, it's almost 70 quid. I'm going to just show you here, as you can see, look, we both can get a free share worth up to £200 if you Insta DM me, and I will give you a special link, which is my own referral link. We'll both get a free share once you deposit, and happy days. You can either sell that share and then take that money out and go eat that profit, whatever it is. If it's a couple quid, if it's up to £200, it is what it is. But all you got to do is use my link, sign up, and then deposit, I think, and then yeah, you should get it. But yeah, if you want that, just Insta message me, follow me. Links will be in the description. But yeah, as you can see, we're looking at the shares here. The charting options, they're not very advanced, as it's mainly just a line graph, but it does display different time frames. And if you're like a serious investor like that, I don't think you would be using an app to do all your market technical analysis or whatever on it. So this is just a great app to execute on, but I'd say look at charts and whatever on something like TradingView or Bloomberg or whatever you have access to. Okay, so if you look at some of my portfolio, Centrica here, you can see the share is up 4.92% in the last month. You can see on the yearly, this is a share that has kind of shit the fan, so I'm not doing too bad in that position. In total, I bought 77 shares and I'm currently up 9.81% with the average share price of 68 pence. As you can see, there is a contract note for the first time I bought a share. You have to be careful when purchasing. I rushed it a little and I must have pressed instant trade, and they charge you a £1 commission as I selected the option to fill my order in immediately. And then yeah, so that £1 just went to waste. Could have just, waited it out and done it for free, because £1 was what, another 2 shares, so a bit of a waste, but it is what it is. For the commission free trades, you just have to wait a day and it'll be filled. You can see that there is a 0.5% stamp duty that you do have to be aware of, which is expected. They have to, make a little margin. In the other orders, you can see that there is a 0 commission, as I realised my error from the first time. Luckily I didn't invest too much, but that £1 is, I'm still pissed. But yeah, if we look down on this share, you can see some of the info on the share as well, as a link to any other costs and charges. If we now look at Gym Group, which was actually a free share that I got from someone using my link, which I mentioned earlier, just message me on Insta and yeah, you can get it, I can get it, all good. But yeah, a neat feature of this app is the Insights tab, where it breaks down your portfolio by type and sector. It helps you provide with
in the beginning, yeah.
Helps you provide with a good holistic view of your account. As you can see, I invested 98% in stocks, and majority of that in the energy sector, which was that Centrica trade. But yeah, if we turn on the Discover page, you can see the intuitive design of all the current stocks. There is a newly added feature which shows you the shares they are continuously adding to the platform, which is great. As you can see, there's a lot of REITs coming in. This is probably due to popular demand. If you have a stock that you want in mind, all you have to do is ask their support team and they'll try and add it to the list, which is great. What else is there? Here are also some popular ETFs. You can also filter by sectors, which is a great facility. And if you can scroll down, there's hundreds and hundreds of instruments on offer. So you won't lack the access to a lot of the investments that you want. Of course, the activity tab illustrates all your transactions, as you can see. The account tab shows you an overview of your holdings, as expected. If we now go into my profile, you can see there's a variety of options. If you live in the UK, if you didn't know, you get £20,000 allowance every year to invest in stocks and shares, and they will not be accounted to any tax, capital gains tax. So it's a great thing to use. If you need some more information about that, ask me and I'll probably make a video on it. And yeah, so on this platform they help facilitate that ISA by charging you £3 a month, which is decent, I guess, but it should be free. I think we'll let that go. And yeah, considering there isn't many transactional costs, it isn't too bad. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you did find it useful and entertaining. Well, I don't think you find it entertaining, but I hope you found it useful. If you want that free trade, holler me. And yeah, that's it. Also, it is Corona season. I just want to wish you all well. God willing, none of us contract it. And if you've lost loved ones, I'm really sorry to hear that. And all I can say is I hope we all learn a lot from this process, whether that be learning about the importance of being with your family, or looking after your community, looking after the environment, staying hygienic, and all those other things. So I hope you all stay well and utilize this stock market crash by trading on this app, because it is quite good. I've made withdrawals and they've worked. I'll put some receipts in now. Check them out. And yeah, well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.